Realtor.ca tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to find homes for rent here on Realtor.ca. So once Realtor.ca is opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and press on search. So for instance, if you're on the bottom right, you're on the menu tab, just go to the bottom left here and press on search. Once you're on the search page here, I want you to go to the top and search up an area. So, for example, if you wanted to find homes, let's just say in Victoria, British Columbia, as an example right here, I'll press on Victoria. You have your area selected. Now, if you want to find homes that are for rent compared to for sale, go to the top right, press on filters just like this. Make sure that residential is selected. So if commercial's here, press on residential. Then where it says for sale in blue, right beside that it says for rent, press on that. Type in your example. Go to the bottom right, press on search, and then you can find homes that are listed for rent this way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find homes for rent here on Realtor.ca. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.